There, number 1, Villafete. Villafete, lumusot. Yes, sir. An easy layup there. 19-18. 8-point lead by the Makoto. Big man. There is Rizal. Oh, gun save. Using arm.
Crucial to.
Number 16 to Salazar. Number 5 to Perez. 15-second shot clock. And there is a whistle. A double revolve by Perez.
Ano ka ba, Perez? Sayang bayad.
I begin. Number 1. Number 1. Looking for an open. Number 1. Lumaya. Yes, sir. What a play there by number 1. Using smart move. Now, Perez. Number 1. Perez looking for play. 15 seconds to shoot. There, Salazar. Missing shot. Now. Yes. Ahmad is there. Ahmad to number 1. Number 1. The favorite shot, number 1. There's a pass to Andaya. Andaya almost goes. To Andaya. Andaya again. Try to pass. And there is a foul. That is Pasil to Perez. Perez. Dala-dala ang bola. There is offensive foul to Perez. Sabit. Now number 1. Number 1. Looking for an open to Ahmad. Here Ahmad. Ahmad. There to number 1. From the Mr. Jardaya. There is 3 seconds. Violation by the Jeddah. Turnover. Last 2 minutes. There is a foul by Daya there. Well, for the bonus shot. Now there's a rebound by Ibrahim. To number 1. Number 1. Nakalusot. Pass there to Ahmad. Ahmad for the jump. Yes, sir. What a play between Ahmad and number 1. Now, Mansell looking for the pass to Salah. And Salah. Oh, there is a foul number 1. A locking bounds. Salah. Again, Salah acquired for the second row. 15-foot line. No, big rebound by big man. Number 1.
Oh, no.
Number 1. High speed in number 1. For the shot. No, there is a rebound Villanova. Villanova to Paule.
Wala pa po, nandun lang po sa may...
There is a whistle. Fouls.